Hey guys, it's Fiona here. So we are going to head over to lunch right now with mom, and then we're gonna go to IKEA after that to see some furniture for the new year. We're actually gonna redecorate and renovate our house, and also to check out some decorations for the Christmas, for the holiday season. So I'll take you guys along. Let's go. Here at the lunch place. I'll show you guys what it's called. It's called Deer Garden. It's like super famous here. It's like super crowded during lunch, but today is just like a weekday, so it should be fine. Inside now, we're gonna order. How we order is they give you this kind of thing, and you just basically type what you want and customize. That's how they do it. What I always do is just like the original fish soup, because they're famous for fish soup. So I kind of want lasa. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. Then you get to choose 2 toppings. So I am gonna choose. Okay, so what I chose is the mustard soup, and then the luncheon meats, and then the fish tofu. It's not focusing. The fish tofu, and then I chose the ox tongue and fish fillet for the side. And I have like a cold lemon tea. They took my menu away, so I'll show you guys kind of a short clip of what I actually chose. Now we're gonna leave. We just finished lunch, and we're gonna go see some blinds for our apartment. So instead of going to IKEA right now, we have came to this street where all the, I guess, furniture and then tile, carpet, wood flooring is. So we're gonna go and take a look at blinds we have to change for the house. So it looks like this here. Right here.
This is how